Enter a world where the sky's the limit.
Help! Oh my God! Someone help me! Oh! I'm dying!
Nachi, what is it? What is wrong?
I have pain. Too much pain.
Sorry, try to stand up. We'll go to the hospital for... I think your usual illness has started. Sorry.
Do you think Mom will come back home soon?
Brother, I really don't know. But let's thank to God for his intervention.
Seriously, her situation scared me. Mom can't stand. Can you imagine she can't even support herself?
The doctors have done their job and there is no change at all. The only thing we are left with now is to pray for her.
Seriously, we have to pray. Because I can't imagine this house without Mom. Mom is the only person who can manage Uncle Chintu.
Dule, believe me, Mom is going to come back soon.
Let's pray.
Let's pray for her.
Dear God, we come before you.
Hey, Ray.
Oh, Uncle.
How are you?
I'm okay.
It's good that I have found you. Where are you coming from?
Oh, I've been in the farm, and actually, I have been spraying cattle.
I've been looking for you for the past 2 days.
What is it? Is there any problem?
Yes.
What is it?
My son, it's pity that you are a son of a lazy, poor, and stupid man, Semudu, who does not care of himself. Do you know that he's going to die and leave you with nothing?
What do you mean, Uncle?
What I mean, he's going to die and leave you with nothing after his death. So, kati mbadde nkuwawo magezi otandike okweteekateeka ng'omusajja, otegeke n'ebintu byo, olabe bw'ova mu nnyumba ya sisita wange. Kwanza embalayira sisita wange bw'anaafa bw'ati, ngenda kuyita family members tugobe gwe ne taata wo mu nnyumba eyo. Nkubbiddeko nga bukyali, bagamba ekijja omanyi. Ontegedde bulungi?
Yes, I've understood, Uncle.
So?
But now, Uncle, where do you want me to go?
Go to your mother's house.
Anyway, Uncle, yes, I understand the property belongs to Mama Nakintu. And honestly, I can't claim for it after her death. But I remember you were among the people who attended my mother's burial.
Of course I was there.
Now, Uncle, where do you want me to go?
Did they all die?
Yes. But if you insist on chasing me, I will not hesitate. I will go.
Kasito kitegedde bukyali. Nze njagadde nkulabule nga bukyali. Togamba nti saamanya. Kati noonya gy'olaga ng'omusajja otandika obulamu bwo. Byebyo. Nga toleese ku ffene, taliiyo. Kamala okulaba mukazi.
Gwe musirusiru gwe. Obadde oli luddawo. Obadde okolayo ki? Oyo emwogo gw'olesa olina omutematema omusimbe. Omala gye ebintu mu nnyumba obyoza. Ate n'engoye ezikulinza okwoza. Gwe noddawo osaage.
Nabwogera nako nga kasirise nga kasaka.
Ne kaleka bulezi mutwe gwokka. Jenny. I wonder how Samud is feeling now. After your auntie announcing you as her heir.
Hey, Mommy, I don't know. Do you want to tell me you've just started thinking about it?
Yes.
For I started thinking about it long time ago.
Yeah?
Naye, Mommy, as this property is too big, what are we going to do with it?
Yeah? Look at you. Don't bother yourself. Your dad has already planned for it.
Oh, yes.
Yeah?
Have a clever dad.
No.
And you know what, Mom? I think we should even chase Semudo and his son immediately after Auntie's death. Because that man is a witch. Actually, I come to think that he's maybe even the one bewitching my auntie because he wants to take away her property.
Oh, yes. He is the one bewitching her.
Hey. But my auntie was clever enough and chose Nachin to Junior as her hair.
You know what? Let's just wait for her death and then we start enjoying her riches.
You know. Ate mami njako twalakoze ne Kampala.
Onimba.
Ay, Evili.
Oh, sorry.
Semboga.
Wanji.
Leero neewunyisiza ng'oli smart.
Omanyi ntongo. Bwe nakugamba nti nkwagala nali sirimba. Era gana masmart g'olaba gonna bulungi bwo bwe bugankobya. Tongo. Nze ne bw'obikkula omutima gwange. Mulimu ntongo yekka yayiika ati. Oli kimuli. Ekijjudo omubisi gw'enjuki. Ogwetaaga okunywako. Tongo mukwano. Nkusaba. Ngiriza twagalane. Sijja kujuza. Nja kwagala n'obulamu bwange bwonna.
Bambi Semboga. Ebyo byonna mbiwulidde. Naye singa oba ofuna omuntu omulala gw'obigamba asobola okwagala. Kubanga nze nina omuntu anjagala ate nga nange mwagala. Ebyo byonna nga bw'obiŋŋambye. Abiŋŋamba ate ng'ebyo biwoomu ng'omubisi gw'enjuki. So, Semboga, sijja sobola kwagala. I'm sorry.
Ntongo. Kiki otegeeza? Even me I was joking. Kasooka weetunuulire. Gwe nga bw'ofaanana nnyinza kwagaza ki? Nkutwalewa. Gwe muwala w'omusajja Semuddu omunafu omusirusiru gwe bawasa obuwasa. Nkutwalewa. Nange mbadde nsaaga. Onza badde ogenda n'okunzalira n'obwana obunafu nga jjajja waabwe ngamba kitaawo. Twala eri naawe sina kye nkwagaza.
Semboga.
Kiki?
I was joking too. Naye gwe n'onyiga okutuuka ku ekyo n'oyingizaamu taata wange.
Ntongo, obadde osaaga. Amuna ensonyiwa nange mbadde nsaaga. Ate gogamba nze Katonda bwe yali antonda teyandonderamu kaswiki kasaaga. Nsonyiwa mukwano, mbadde nsaaga. Weebale kukkiriza mukwano.
Kale ng'owulira kino ekisirusiru. Semboga, I don't love you. I'll never love you. Now leave, you bastard.
Ntongo?
I said leave. And never to come back here.
Ntongo.
Go! Nza kwagala. N'omutunuulira aba naye n'onoonyako ne k'omwagala nga tokalaba. Kati gwe nga bw'oli awo nkutwalewa. Yanguwa n'okugenda Maya atakusanga wano.
Hey, you. Whom do you call yourself in this home? Why did you fetch 1 jerrycan of water?
I was tired.
Tired? How dare you talk to me like that, stupid? Kati gwe ngonjagaza emirembe. Kwata kino ekidomolo ogende ekitulire and get more water, stupid boy. And one more thing. I want you to put this into your head. That we don't share a mother, stupid. Kale will hate you so much.
I know that. No need of reminding me.
What?
Just know, even if you hate me, I'm our father's only son. Even if you chase me away, I will come back and inherit.
Inherit what? Inherit what, stupid boy? Nonsense. Stupid over my dead.
Semboga. Obadde oddawo? Owaayi? Badde ngendawo mugundi.
Muki?
Owaayi osongasonga butonotono. Naye mumugamba mutya?
Yeetuli. Kakati nyina kimali okubuuza.
Ekiruwa?
Kikwata ku mwannyoko Ntongo.
Ekikyeto.
Ku kyalo kuno ani amwagala?
Ebya Ntongo okubanga ani amwagala kuno ku kyalo zaate binkwatirako wa?
Si mwannyoko.
Bw'aba mwannyinaze.
Olina okumanya. Naye ate lule nyina kye ŋŋenderedde. Tonjagaliza Ntongo. Omwagaliza mayanja.
lwengezaako okubaako kyenjogere kimukwatako ofuba okulaba ng'onnemesa lwaki
ekirungi mu byonna ekyo kimanyi nti simukwagaliza ye kakati gwe nga bwolaba bw'ofaanana bw'otyo mwana waani ku kyalo kuno ayinza okwonoona obulamu bwe nti ayagale ggwe ye kakati olina kaki
kakati nno njagala owulire kino nkyogedde misana ng'ensi yonna ewulira oba onjagaliza ntongo oba tomunjagaliza nja kumufuna era bw'anaaba nnemye wakirifa embi tunaamufiirwa
awo n'otiisatiisa kati
ate ntiisatiisa ki
otiisatiisa kati nkukakasa singa wabaawo kyonna ekimutuukako ovunaanyizibwa
ogenda kukola ki ogenda kukola ki
ovunaanyizibwa
anti nze nkubuulidde ekyo kimanye tujja mufiirwa
omanyi bamutulaba mulowooza olw'okwaffe kuno tetulinako bantu bavunuloza tulinako bantu
olinga agenda omwewasiza
nze nkubuulidde sembogga
Banange auntie, you really suffered a lot.
Oh,
true.
True. I even almost died.
But thank God you survived Semodu's witchcraft.
Semodu's witchcraft? Hey. What do you mean?
What I mean is, Semodu is a real witch. Because he has nothing. He wants to kill you so that he can enjoy your property.
But I think if he wanted to do that, if he wanted to kill me, I think he would have made it easier for my hair to inherit her property.
Yes. Hey! But Samuel is such an idiot. He doesn't know that he is causing trouble for himself. But Molam, I'm advising you to chase Samuel and his son away before it's too late.
Yes.
Yeah, because if you die before chasing them, they will jointly mistreat your daughter and Tongo.
Okay. Thank you very much. Yes, I'm going to think about it before anything happens.
If not, you give them a small piece of land where they can build a small house and make it clear to them not to tamper with your heir's property. Auntie.
I was thinking, you take my mommy's advice serious.
It's okay, it's okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm going to take it. And thank you very much, my daughter.
You're welcome. Your brother.
Oh, I've loved Bob.
Hey, muwala.
Wanje banya.
Oli otya?
Je ndi mutala na kintu. Masibe mutano banya.
Bulungi nnyo.
Je ndi.
Tata wo gyali?
Iye tata gyali ewaka.
Hey, awo kirungi. Katugende tumulabe.
Kale, kanvekero kuluza.
Kale.
Hey! Ndieno! Hey! Miss Nachin. You are welcome.
Thank you.
Hey.
Yeah, well done, Chairman.
Thank you.
We have been looking for you.
Is there any problem? Should we go in the office?
No, no need. We've just brought your copy.
Oh,
yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You will watch it in your free time.
Yeah, no problem. I hope she has already got hers.
Yes, Chair. Namaze dda n'ogitunulamu.
Kakati, nange kamalirize wano. Ate ndabe.
Okay. Now let us leave and take the Leveland's copy.
Hey.
Yeah.
Okay. okay. No problem. Oh, greetings to him.
Okay, tell.
Hey.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming, my love.
You are welcome, dear.
I'm really so happy.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I also thank you for the time. Yeah. Just because I have failed to see the patient.
I'm sure she's on her way back. Or maybe you can wait for her.
I wait. Okay. Waiting for her wouldn't have been a problem. But as you know my job, I'm time bad. But if she comes, tell her that I was here.
Of course I will. I'll tell her Mayanja was here.
Mayanja?
Yes.
Come on, love. Not Mayanja like that. Tell her that her son-in-law was here.
Son-in-law? Honey, you know, you're not yet officially introduced as my husband.
Wait. Are you trying to deny me?
Not really. But the thing is, we are just dating. And you've not yet proposed to me.
Ndongo, I'm not going to do it like whites. Me, I'm African man. And I believe in true love. Yes. You just come closer to my chest and feel the heartbeats. Come.
Oh, honey. I don't know what's happening to me. Oh. My heart is beating so fast.
So fast. That is true love.
Oh, I think I'm in love.
Good. And even the Holy Books talks about it. As the Bible says, a girl will leave both her parents and take on that man she loves. They stay together for the rest of their lives.
You're lying, Maya. It's a man, not a girl. But anyway, I'll take on you as my husband.
Sure.
Yes, I will.
Oh, thank you so much. I love you.
I love you too.
You mean you don't see this? Rule will come and clean this.
Okay, Mom.
What are you doing? Huh? Lule,
Yes, ma'am.
what do you do at home? Look at the gardens. Everywhere is dirty. You see? You cannot clean even the banana plantations. But being sick is a very, very bad thing. Look at all my gardens. Even there. They are all full of weeds.
But Mom, I've also been trying. I've been digging. Hey, Mom, these days it rains almost every day.
Lule, you always have excuses. But anyway, I don't blame you. It's all because of my absence. If I was around, I would have done the needful.
But we're trying. Marco.
Look everywhere, everywhere. It's full of and we laugh.
Mom! Help! Someone help me! Mom! Mom, no! Someone help me! Mom! Help! Please help! Mom! 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 No. No. No, no! God. God, please do something. Mom. Mom, don't leave us. No, no, no. Mom, not this time. Mom. Mom, don't leave us, Mom. Please. No, no. Mom. Ah. Ah. What am I going to do? Where am I going to be without you, Mom? Ah. 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 No, no. At least not at this time. No. God.
Love, thank you so much for being there for me in this trying moment.
All the time, darling.
But I really miss my mom so much.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, dear. Ntongo, I know what you're going through, but you have to be strong, okay? And you have to learn to live without her. Good enough, you still have your dad, Lule, and me as well. So be strong, okay?
I will. But you know it's not easy as you think.
But with God and time, everything will be okay. Okay? Anyway, I have to go.
Okay, you can go. But again, thank you so much for comforting me always.
You're welcome.
I appreciate.
That's because I love you.
Thank you.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fair. Ngenda nguma mpola mpola.
Oh, where are you coming from?
Just from escorting Mayanja. You know he had come to see me.
Oh, Bambi.
And where are you coming from too?
I'm going to the trading center to get something. Let's go together if you don't mind.
Okay, let's go.
This is the guy too. And Mr.
Nagamba tumukube gwadda mu kusaaga. Tukawe.
Tetukawa leero soke tukawoniire. Bwe kalemerako nga tukawa. Gwe Mayanja.
Kiki?
Okuva na leero weesonyiwa entongo. Wandemesezza ntongo senga namuwasa dda. Naye bwe mugamba ebigambo byange awoza Mayanja kenaddamu ne nkusanga naye. Togenda kukyagala.
Golosembogga.
Kiki?
Omutwe gukola bulungi.
Eki?
Sirowooza. Wajjawo olukusa olwogera n'entongo. Look at yourself and your friend. Mwenna temutegeera temulina magezi.
Nze
tonvuma.
Tonzirugaza.
Tonzirugaza.
Kawe.
Mulabe.
Badde ngenda kukuba.
Mukomaawo.
Jambagata aba.
Bakube. Baleke. Basirusiru tebalina magezi.
Era ntongo akutaasizza.
N'obatunuulira
yakawa.
Bulijjo naawe olwana.
Bano be bannyiiza.
Bannange, bani abakunyiiza? Kataata. Anyway, nga bwe bagamba nti kyerondera taba mubbi. Oba nawe nkwerondere. Omanyi si gwe omubi ennyo, kyessa obulamuko kasente. Ate era nga wekiri nti nze musika wa ssenga.
Gwe wasikira ssengaawo.
Ng'era n'ebintu bye byonna bigenda kubeera byange. Tofaayo, I will invest some money in you. Nawe olabikeko ng'omuntu. Bannange, n'oyo ntongo ali wano akwereeza atuuka okwagala okudda nga takyasobola.
Ntongo aneegombe. Ajje nga talinga sikyakkiriza.
Nga
bannange weebale nnyo weebalire ddala. Oli ludda wa?
Nga ndi eyo nzija.
Bannange nga mbunyiibwe nyina mukwano.
Nachindu, you're not fair at all. How can you make me walk all that journey? Seriously? A person who came to dig? Naye, what is wrong with her family? I have to go and find out. Let me just go back home. I'll start from here tomorrow. Thank you for coming.
You're welcome. Yeah.
Ma, you're most welcome. Thank you, my daughter. And the luggage? You see, I have come to look after my late sister's children and the husband. I have not come here on my own. It is my late sister who ordered me to come here. And she emphasized that I should not leave no matter the circumstance. So, this is the luggage you see. Okay. You're welcome. Thank you.
Who is she?
She's my late mommy's sister.
Oh.
And she's coming from the village.
Okay.
Let me first go and attend to her. I'll see you later.
It's okay. It's okay.
I love you.
I love you too. Bye.
Bye.
Well done, madam.
Well done too.
Madam, I was told you asked me to leave the house.
Yes.
Actually, that's why I'm here. To ask for more time as I look for where to go.
Okay. But I'll first talk to my dad about it.
Okay, thank you, madam.
Welcome.
But as you talk to him, try to plead for me so that he gives me more time as I look for where to go.
Are you dumb or deaf? I said give us some more time to think about it. Stupid.
Thank you, madam.
Now leave. I said leave! Stupid.
You are busy.
You're most welcome.
Thank you. How is here and how are you doing?
We are here trying to learn how to live without her.
Yes, we have to because life has to go on.
Exactly.
Let me be brief. I've come here to show you my daughter Nachindu.
I know her very well.
I know, but she is the success of your late wife, Nachintu.
Hey, that is good. So Nachintu is replacing Nachintu?
Yes.
You're most welcome.
Thank you.
My new wife. Let us hope that you'll take a good care of us, like your late aunt.
Not all of you. Actually, I will manage to take care of one person.
And who is that?
Antongo.
What about us?
I'll not manage. Actually, I came to inform you and your son Lule to vacate this house by tomorrow morning without failing.
Successor. We shall go because we can't hesitate. But I request you to give us only 1 month as we look for where to go.
A month?
Yes.
That is too long.
Please, my child, help us. Because in that period of 1 month, I will prepare for where to go with my son.
Point of correction. You cannot be my father. At least not a man like you. About your request, no problem. But only 1 month.
Thank you so much.
As you know, she's now the owner of the property, so I cannot oppose her decisions. But make sure that you use that 1 month well, in that by the end of it, you'll just pick your belongings and leave the house.
Yes. Thank you so much. We shall go. Only 1 month.
Dad, I think we should take our leave.
Okay.
Thank you so
Let's
much.
go.
Greetings to the people at home.
AJ?
Let's go. Don't stop. What? I'm so disappointed with you.
About?
How can you allow Semudu to stay in our house for 30 days? Do you know what it means? It means 30 days. 720 hours. When they're still in my late sister's house? No. No. The house will be getting old and the property will be destroyed.
It's okay, Daddy. Just relax. Let me go back and chase them right now.
Go. Nachintu. Come back. It's no longer important. You have already decided for them. Going back will be humiliating ourselves. Good enough. He's the one who has asked for that 1 month. It will also end. Now let us wait and see what he will say at the end of it.
Okay, Daddy.
But never decide on such important issues without my consent.
Okay. Daddy.
Chichi.
It seems you did well in math.
Why?
Because the way you converted the math to dates 2 hours, as if you didn't use these half books. The 32 pages.
Talk about those books. Musana. Whoa. Those days. Anyway, things involving money, I have never failed to be accurate.
sorry, Daddy, I know you when it comes to money.
That is the situation you are in here.
Nanaki, the situation is not good. But you have to be strong. Because in order to overcome all these challenges, you have to be firm.
Being strong is okay, though it is not easy. But my late wife's will is the one that is chasing us away from here.
What?
Nachindu chased us away from here before she died.
How?
She gave everything of hers to her brother Chintu's daughter, Nachintu Jr., including the house.
Semudu, if I may ask you, who is having that will you're talking about?
She left a copy with her brother Chintu. He has it. Therefore, I have no rights of being here.
Now what I'm going to do is to go there and talk to them before chasing you out. They can't just chase you like that. Not until we are done with my sister's funeral rite.
No one else you can talk to except Chintu, because he's the decision maker. Please, can you go and talk to him?
Okay, I will go and talk to him.
That will be so great. I'll use that time to build at least a smaller house in the plot I bought. I'll also take a relay too to help me so that we live here in peace.
You don't have to worry. Everything is going to be fine.
Thank you so much.
Okay, I think I know you very well. Since you are done with taking my water, can you please tell me the reason why you are here?
Okay. Brother, you've changed so much.
Now, what has changed on me? Skin, color, weight, or height?
I'm not talking about that. Anyway, let me get straight to the point.
Ocho?
Chintu, I was suggesting, since we are still mourning for our sister, why don't you leave her husband?
I know where we are going, but don't bother. She was not stupid to put Nachintu Jr. as her hair.
And who is talking about the hair here? Chintu, you're forgetting one thing. Samudu was Nachintu's husband.
Very, very good. You use the good words. He was. That means he's no longer. And Sawede, don't stupidly waste my time talking about those stupid things here. Stupid.
Chintu, you're calling me stupid?
Yes.
Okay. We shall see when the will is out.
Don't make me laugh. Actually, they say, even if you pound fools in the mortar, they remain fools. Nachintu, Wamash is not home. Balinjagala agenda akebereyo, alaba waliyo obujo obwasigaddemu, obwatulemye, abulete tubuteeke muogo omutwe gwo omukalu.
Chintu. Okay.
Hey.
I'll remind you of this day.
Take your toothpicks out of my compound.
I'm going.
Go.
I will go. Ne Chintu sagala we juice.
Chintu means a thing. I'm a big deal, by the way. I'm a big deal. You cannot threaten me like that. Take your ugly face out of my home. Genda!
Tewejusa. Tewejusa. Naye nja kujjukiza olunaku lunene.
Nja kugira ejambi. Really? Are you still here? Didn't I want you to leave this place?
Yes, Uncle, but I have not yet got where to go.
Whose problem is it? You mean we are going to wait for you until you get where to go? Just get your belongings and leave now.
No, Uncle. This is our home.
Your what?
Our home.
What have you said? You. This is not your home. This is my late sister's house. And I remember I told you, you just came along here with your stupid father. Leave now. Don't waste my time. I said go!
Okay.
Hold on. I'm telling you to go and you are entering the house.
I'm going to pick my belongings and go.
Your belongings? My daughter will bring them to you. That's if she gets to know where we are.
But seriously, how will she get to know where we are?
Go.
Please stop. Enough of your drama.
When did you come in here? And what are you doing here?
So you're asking that? You mean you do not know the reason as to why I'm here?
Just for once, mind your business. And that will help you to live long. Why did you go back to your house?
I am here to protect my late sister's children, husband, and property.
Who are you? Are you the success of what you want to protect? If there is anything you want to protect, just get Sulait and his stupid father. Take them wherever you want and protect them as much as you want.
It's funny. So you do not know that I'm a sister to the late Nachintu. And who are you?
Namwanje, are you asking me who I am?
Yes, I am asking who you are because it seems you do not know your place.
Me forgetting my place?
Briefly, let me help you. You, Achintu, son of our paternal uncle. You're only our brother because our fathers were brothers. Hope I'm clear. Therefore, you have to know your limits.
Who are you to tell me like that? Here in my late sister's house?
What will you do? I said you have to know your limits. Lule, get inside the house.
Over my dead body.
You better die now because he is going to enter.
You'll not enter.
He will enter. Get in.
You'll not enter here.
Hunter will enter, Aunt.
Get inside.
You'll not enter. You'll not enter. I'll slap you!
No, I'm not leaving this place.
No! They're killing me! You'll not enter.
Mom, I know you can hear me. Mom, you have left us in danger. Most especially me. Mom. Where am I going to start from? Mom. Where am I going to go? I know. And time they are chasing me out of the house. Even though you were not my biological mother, but you treated me exactly like your own son. Ma. Leo habwe. Mom. I miss you already. Miss you. Continue resting in peace. Rest in peace, Mom. Till we meet again. Bye, Ma. Bye. Bye.
And that will be the beginning of our harvest.
Oh. But in-law, putting the maize thing aside, sometimes you surprise me.
Why? Hey, you want to blame me for not thanking you for supporting me in this trying moment when Chintu is chasing me out of the house and you always standing by my side. I appreciate everything you do for me. Thank you so much, in-law.
I don't mean that.
What do you mean?
Seriously. Ever since I came here, and all the signs I've shown you, can't you realize that I love you?
In-law, you love me?
Yes.
The fact is, in our culture, if a man loses his wife, he's allowed to marry again. Even me, I'm allowed to marry you. But even if I'm to remarry, how could I marry my late wife's sister?
What is wrong with that?
Do you think Nachintu will rest in peace after seeing me marrying her sister?
She will, because I did not come here on my own.
Even Chintu himself will start up a new fire.
Let Chintu be. I did not come here on my own, like I said. It is my late sister who ordered me to come and look after her children and their dad.
But she's already dead. How did she tell you about that?
Through a dream.
You mean you had a dream?
Yes.
In-law, I'm now confused. Those things might cause problems.
Nothing will happen. Let's just fulfill the dream. It was until death does us part. It did separate you.
I'm suggesting we give it some more time. But for now, let's go and prepare breakfast.
Okay, fine.
Young man, what are you doing with my tongue? You want to mislead her so that you steal her mother's property?
No, sir.
If no, where are you coming from?
Just we are coming from.
Shut up! Just look at you. Out of my sight. Just look at you. Stupid. Ndongo.
Yes, uncle.
Why do you shame us to that extent? Okimanyi bulungi twakamala okuziika nnyoko. Tannaggwa na ku magumba. And instead, you are just moving around with the boys. Muli mu kweraga mukwano. ate okimanyi nti muwala wange Nakintu ye musika wa maama wo kati olowooza Nakintu akiwulira atya nga oli mu kusomba abasajja obayingiza mu nnyumba ye osomba abasajja obayingiza mu nnyumba ye olowooza Nakintu akiwulira atya muwala wange
Mu nyumba ye?
Yes.
And when did Nakintu act as my mommy's successor even before the last funeral?
How do you call her?
Nakintu, of course.
How do you call her?
Nakintu.
You. She's no longer Nakintu you used to know. She's now your mom.
My mom?
Yes.
How?
Your mom made a will and she gave all her property to my daughter Nakintu. Kati nkuwa magezi. Bw'oba oyagala okubaako ekintu kyonna ky'ofuna ku bintu bya maama wo, just handle Nakintu with care. Asobole okubaako akantu konna k'akuwa, osobole okubaako akantu konna k'ogabana ku bintu bya nnyoko.
Uncle.
Chichi.
Uncle, if that's what you think, then I'll have to use courts of law.
Courts of law?
Yes, I'll have to use courts of law. We'll see who will win between me and your so-called successor.
You said courts of law?
Yes, I said that.
Good enough. I'm the one with the will.
It's okay.
Let's wait and see.
Nothing else. But I still don't know what I'm going to do. So that Chintu leaves me alone.
Just forget about him and move on with your life until we are done with the last funeral rite, so that we can determine the correct will.
But my sister also made a big mistake.
Which one?
Why would she leave 2 wills?
What? How come you've never told me about that before? Which one and which?
The one she left with me in a dream, and the other she left with Chintu. And what makes it even worse is that the 2 are not related.
Namwanje, how are you going to explain that to the people? Tebakuyita omubbi?
Omubbi? Yeah, who cares? I'll just do my part, and my late sister Nakintu will do hers.
But me, what I think, you have to meet as one family and decide on what to do.
But the family has no other people left, apart from me and maybe Chintu. But Chintu is even not our real brother from Mom and Dad. Just our fathers were brothers.
But still, you have that biological bond. Chintu is your brother.
Maybe, but not much.
Anyway, I'm suggesting you can ask around the village elders for guidance. How do you see that?
I think I'll do that.
I think it will work.
But thank you. Thank you so much for coming to see me.
It's okay.
Greetings to everyone at home.
I will.
Okay.
Have a nice time.
You too.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye. But in-law, you haven't answered me about my proposal.
Proposal? Hey, the other proposal. The fact is, I do love you so much. But the problem is, I fear people talking behind our back, especially Chintu and his family.
Leave them alone. And let me tell you, if we love each other, no one will even bother to chase you away again.
Why do you think so?
Because in that case, I will use the powers entrusted to me by my late sister, and no one will even chase you away. Trust me.
Sure?
Yes. Please accept and we get married. And even my late sister will rest totally in peace. Is it okay?
It is fine.
Oh, Dad. I'm here. Hey, I'm here. Hey, Dad. I was here trying to organize this phase of ours.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Dad.
My son.
Yes, Dad.
I want to tell you something.
What is it?
Me and your auntie Namwanje, we have mutual understanding.
What do you mean?
I mean, we are in love, but secretly. We propose to get married so that she replaces your late mom. What is your comment about that?
Dad, I don't support it.
Why?
Because of what people will say behind your back.
What will they say?
That all along, Uncle Chintu was right.
What is he saying?
That you killed your wife, so that you get married to her sister, and then you steal her property.
But Chintu, why?
I also don't know. But sincerely speaking, that's what has been telling actually all the villagers. They know it. Now, Dad, if you get married to her, how will you save yourself? Because now everyone will confirm it that all what Uncle Chintu has been saying was true.
Okay, thank you so much, my son.
And that's why, for me, I suggest you look for another woman, then you get married to that one.
Okay.
And there I will support you. Let me continue with my work.
Okay.
My daughter Antongo. A girl child always talks with her mom. Come and have a chat. My daughter.
Yes, Mom.
I do not want you to take this the wrong way, but your dad and I, we are something. As in, we love each other. And proposing we get married, but we're still afraid of Chintu and his wife's rumors around the village that I conspired with your dad and killed your mom because of her property, which is of course not true.
Mom, however perfect you might be, still people will talk about you.
True.
And I think it's better for him to marry you than him moving around the village looking for another woman to bring in my mommy's house.
Thank you.
Good enough, you're not yet married.
No, I haven't been married.
And my mom is already dead. So I think you can go on.
Thank you. And my daughter, good you're old enough. You're now mature. You'll see the outcome.
Mom, I don't see any objections in that. You people, you should love yourselves.
Thank you, thank you.
Welcome.
And I need to make preparations. So you know what? You just keep on and I'll go do that. Anyway, keep on.
Okay, I'm at your back, Mom.
Thank you. Thank you.
Come on now.
You know what? I'm going to get a man for this girl on Tongo so that we marry her off.
It's a good idea. Because when we get her married,
the rest would be easy to be chased away.
Yes, because all their strength are in that girl.
Yeah, but why are you going to get a good man for her?
A good man? Stupid. Who told you that I wish her a happy marriage? I just want to get rid of her. Then I fulfill all my plans without any disturbance.
Yes. Now I'm in class. I was lost. Oh, you're so clever.
That is me. That is me.
Oh my God.
The big problem I have, my in-law Chintu, he wants me and my son out of the house. Yes. Chasing me wouldn't have been the problem, but the period he gave me is not enough. Please, help me and talk to him as our chairman.
I will talk to him. Definitely I will do that.
Thank you so much. In 1 week, I'll be ready to move with my son. And next week, mberenga maliriza okusereka ennyumba yange, and then we go.
Hey, that is good news then. But what you should know is that Chintu cannot just chase you away like that.
That is true.
Hey, I will talk to him as a chairman, and I know he will listen to me. Because if he doesn't, he knows the consequences. I'll just chase him away from our village. I'll talk to him, and I know he will accept your request.
Let me hope today I rest in peace without his disturbance.
You just relax and leave this to me.
Thank you so much.
Just relax and leave that to me.
Kawuma, what's wrong? Are you okay?
I have heard Mom and Dad are planning to marry you off so that they take your property.
Marry me off? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. But now, go home before they look for you, okay?
Where is this stupid boy? I told him to cook food, but now there is nowhere to be seen. Now I'm hungry. Lubawa! Lubawa! But this boy is going to get a head out of me today. Lubawa! Yes, ma'am. Where are you coming from? I'm asking you, where are you coming from?
I'm coming from the toilet.
From the toilet? Do you think I'm stupid? Since when did you start to spend all that time in toilet? Don't cook food now. No sense. No katunuli. Namaso ni gakulum.
Sister.
Yes,
Kumbe we are here eating mangoes.
Come and join me.
Have
some.
Okay. What? That's very sweet.
Pola.
Anyway, you said you wanted to talk to me.
I really wanted to talk to you. And it's about Mam Namwanje and our dad.
You mean the love affair?
Of course.
So even Dad told you about it? But for me, I did not support it.
And why? For me, I did.
And why did you have to support them?
Lule, the problem would be fearing rumors moving around the village. But even if you do what, still people will talk about you.
You have a point. By the way, I'm now changing my mind.
Good.
Huh? Let us support them to get married.
Let them get married.
And in addition, it will be on our advantage.
Now you're talking.
Instead of Dad moving around the village looking for another woman to marry, let them get married.
Let them get married. Lule.
Almost everything is done, except the gomasis and the cans.
If you add all that, what is the total?
I'm seeing here it is 2,200,000 shillings.
2.2.
Yes.
Okay. 2.2.
But Mayanja, this is unusual. It's always the groom to cover almost the full budget. And he even organizes the meetings for his friend to support him. But for your case, it is different. It is the bride to cover the full budget.
Yeah. Mayanja?
Yes, sir.
Why we are doing all this is I want a very good function.
Yes.
And I don't want to be ashamed. So, if I don't support you, you might fail to get all that money. Now, I'm going to give you the money. You can bring and buy things, you bring them to us.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. And lastly, it's not good for a boy to always come to the home of the girl he loves. That's not proper. That's why I'm going to give you the money now. You go and buy things, you bring them to us. You take your wife for good. Kuba kati gwe nga bwe mutunuulira bwe seefeeko omukolo guteekamu ssente tolina gy'osobola kujja ssente ezo oli munaku ekitegeera bulungi kati nze ka nkuteekemu ssente ate omukolo ngwagala mu bwangu. And I want the function to be colorful.
I'm going to do it so quickly.
Yes. Then you can bring the money.
Okay.
Why have you deliberately kept Semudu and his son here? Why don't they go away? They will not stay here, I'm telling you.
Chintu, get warned today. Stop wiseacking. Yeah? The late clearly told me in a dream that they have to stay here.
In a dream?
Yes.
When? And where did you dream from? And you know people, go saweka.
Kati wabanga teyandoosa. Gwe lwaki obagoba wano?
Wano waabwe.
Kati gwe wowo obagoba.
I swear, they will not stay here, I'm telling you. Unless I'm not Chintu. They should stay warned. No one stands in my way and lives successfully. I'm telling you.
Instead of working for himself, he's here claiming the lady's property. Wabantu mwabaki.
Mtongo, ngonkedde. Kiki waliwo obuzibu?
Chairman, obuzibu bwe buli bw'amaanyi nnyo. Wasiza otya no chairman?
Bulungi. Osuzootya buzibu ki?
Kye obuzibu bukwata ku Uncle Kintu.
What is it?
It seems he wants to take away my mommy's property. And now he's trying to marry me off forcefully.
What's wrong with Chintu? Everyone on this village is seriously complaining about him. Now, what do you want me to do?
I want him to bring that will he's talking about that my mom left him with. And you read it in everyone's presence.
Oh, good idea. And easy one. I'm going to talk to him about the meeting. And hopefully, the meeting will take place tomorrow at your home.
Okay, Chair. Thank you, Chair.
You're welcome.
But make sure he doesn't give any excuses.
Of course.
I want this to end now and for all.
Yes, I'm going to talk to him right now. In fact, I'm going to look for him wherever he is.
Okay, Chair.
Hey.
Thank you, Chair, so much.
You're welcome. Chintu. Hey, greetings to your dad.
Okay, Chair.
Hey.
Thank you so much.
Chintu? That is it. The meeting is tomorrow.
Hey, it's not bad, but there's a problem. You started the meeting without consulting me. I don't keep the will here because it is a very sensitive thing. I was waiting for the final funeral to open it. Now, I think I need some time to go and bring it.
How long do you need?
2 months.
Chintu, stop joking with me. You already opened it, and you surely know what is in it. That means you have it here. Eh? So tomorrow, you must be in the meeting and bring that will without fail.
But Chairman,
no buts. And you must bring the successor as you said. See you there.
I knew this girl will bring problems. Naye sijja kutya. Kubanga ekyo bulijjo nange kye neetaaga. Ekirungi nina ekiraamu. Nja kgendayo. Balowooza abo banampangula abo.
Yes, I greet you and I welcome you, Reverend Father, family members, and everyone to our colleague, late Nachintu's home. Of late, we have been having many problems amongst family members. But I pray that by the time we leave this place, everything will be resolved. Because we are going to know who was given what. Because we have the will. And it is going to be read. Yes.
Florence kitegedde bulungi. Lwaki ebintu by'omugenzi bitandise okufulumizibwa kati nga TV eyo nga n'ekiraamo tekinnasomebwa? Kitegeeza kati awo bingi nnyo ebibbiddwa. Kitegeera bulungi.
Kakkana, waliwo ensonga lwaki kino kiri wano.
Muli mu lukwesikwesi lukubba bintu.
So as I was saying, before I proceed, I want to ask, is there anyone with late Nachintu's will? If you have it, please.
Yes. Chairman, me, I have the will.
Yes, bring it.
But you will not see it.
I think that is not a will.
It is, because it was a dream from the late.
Stop your nonsense. Tuli bintu biri serious, oleta nonsense. Suba kyangati kino.
Twanange.
Chairman Wama, here is the will.
Hey, this is what I've been talking about.
Awusoma unyawo wakati awo. Have you seen that face wakati awo?
Okay, nkirabye bulungi era ebintu omugenzi byonna yabiwa famire ya Kintu. Naye ekizibu ekiriwo nti kuno tekuliiko mukono gwa mugenzi.
Beera serious naawe ate. Kati omukono gwandivudde wange ebyo nze nabiwandiika ate. Kuba omanyi kiri bwe kiti. Omugenzi nabeeranga naye mwannyinaze oyo. Naŋŋamba ebigambo byonna n'abiŋŋamba. Byonna ne mbiteeka mu mutwe bulungi nnyo. Kati mugenzi bwe yafa nensika ne ŋŋamba ebintu bino nnyinza obyerabira kambiteeke ku lupapula. Ne nkwata olupapula ne peeni byonna ne mbiwandiikako. Era buli ku makya mbadde nkeera ne mbikeberako buli ku makya. Kyova olaba nti ebintu byonna ebiri omwo byonna mbimanyi bulungi. Ate omukono gwandivudde wa?
Kaakati nno na kino si kiraamu. Tekuli mukono gwa mugenzi. Naye ekiraamo ekituufu senkirira. Era nga n'omukono gw'omugenzi kweguli.
Nange kyamanisi.
Sebo kya nange nkirina.
Nga yabijajjamya bulala buli omu yamuwa.
Kaakati ebyo muyita ebiraamo ebyo njagala mukijje mukisome. Naye singa kiba kikontana n'ekyo kyennyini ekyange kyendeese kitegeeza nti ekyo kiba kifu. Kiba kifu. Lufufu lulufu.
Ekiraamo si nze ŋŋenda okukisoma. Omugenzi yennyini yagenda okukyesomera. Leetina Kintu.
Akisome. Ajjawo ekisiikirize amazima.
Kati anaakisoma atya nga yafa?
Kale muge agenda vayo muntu anaakisome.
Tukakkane.
Namwe bannange.
I welcome everyone in your capacity to my home.
Oh, thank you very much. You see, as for me, I was very busy with office work. But thank God, I'm here for this. I had to leave everything. But thank God, I'm here.
Wow, that is great. The main reason as to why I have invited you here is that I wanted to read my will for you so that you can see how I managed to make it. Yes. And this is how it goes. Yeah. I am called Kintu Justin, a daughter to the late Senabria Saul and Miss Nalmasi Mangadalena, both continuing resting in peace in Nyedemara, Single Sub-County. I am a Muganda by tribe, and I belong to Leopard clan.
Engo?
Yes.
Muzukuru wa Mutesi.
I am 40 years old. I live at Champis. And all my life, I have only one daughter, and that is Nantongo Christine. Yes. Her father is Semodo Bernard. I have 88 acres of land. The 70 acres are in Champisi, and the 10 are in Impiji. I also have 180 cows. Therefore, I have chosen my brother's daughter, Kintu Junior, to be my successor.
Excuse me. Yes, hello. Oh, I'm truly sorry. Yes, please. I almost forgotten about the program. No, I'll just rush there. Yes, please. Okay, thank you very much. All right. Mrs. Nati.
Yes, Reverend.
Oh, I'm really sorry. I've got an emergency at the parish.
Oh.
I'm afraid I may not continue with the meeting. I'll let you two proceed, and Chairman here will give me the updates.
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
I promise.
All right.
Mwongeze.
Mbadde nsaba tukakkaneko. Ekiraamo tekinnaba kuggwa.
Genda maaso.
Chairman. Genda maaso mukama wange.
Fenna maaso.
Thank you for honoring my invitation again. Last time I was still reading to you my will. Unfortunately, the Reverend got some emergencies. But God is good. We are all here. So let us proceed. Yeah. This is how I've distributed my property. I have given my heir, Nachintu Jr., 7 acres of land and 5 cows. I have given my brother Chintu 5 acres of land and 3 cows. I have also given my brother's son, Lubowa, 5 acres of land and 3 cows. Lule, 5 acres of land and 13 cows. My husband, sweetheart darling Semudu, I've given him 10 acres of land and 20 cows. I have also not forgotten my sister, Namwanje. I have also given her 10 acres of land with eucalyptus tree and 20 cows. And she will be my caretaker of my family, including my husband, Semudu. She has to make sure that he is happy all the time with my daughter. Lastly, I have given my daughter, the only daughter I have, Nantongo, 41 acres of land and 116 cows, plus all the money I have in the bank account. Finally, I have given 5 acres of land to the church to build hospitals for the community.
We thank you very much.
I declare that when I die, I must be buried to our ancestors' graveyard where they buried my mom and my dad. You will also have to take my body for prayers in the parish where I'm going to be staying currently. My friends, that is my will.
Nachintu?
Yes, Chairman.
You are such a great woman.
Talina.
Yagaba biche. Babikyusa.
Tutambule tugende.
Baraba itawa.
Mr. Shin, you can all go, but leave the air here.
Gwa muzaala.
Nze chairman w'ekitundu kino bw'onjeemera oba ojeemedde gavumenti.
Gwe
Bw'etuula.
Muwala.